Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, let's see, how am I going to start this off today? Well, we did come to the inside storage. For a reason. A couple reasons. One is to see the measurement of the space that I need to clean for that cabinet. Come on. Thank you. Okay. I said 54 was the cabinet. And from, say there, oh, oh, that is so close. But as you can see, I got room to move that over. So the cabinet will fit right there. Yeah. So, question is, okay. This nobody wanted to buy. Halo graphic novel from Marvel. If you're a Halo's fan, I will offer it to one of my subscribers. Make me an offer. If nobody offers me anything for it, it'll be ripped up and thrown in the trash. Original price of this book is $24.99 US, $40 Canada. So, then you got this little thing. If somebody, actually it looks like, I don't know if something's, oh no, it's just moved under there. Yeah, they're a little bit bent, but they could be straightened out. But you don't want to keep doing it over and over again or it'll break off. But if somebody wants to offer me anything for this, let me know. Email me on both the Halo book and this. Offer me something for it or it's going in the trash. I am no longer going to hold on to things that I can't sell. This is a cookie jar. It's all there. You want to make me an offer on it, shoot me up. These I was going to sell as a hobby craft thing. I'm a jigger because I have tons of them. I might even still try to sell it, but unfortunately I can't take a picture of them because my phone broke. Yeah, for those of you that have been texting me through my Facebook. I'm not ignoring you. I just have not been on my computer. So that goes for Purr and Scrapping Together, Shane Man TV, Scrapping Pallet Man. If you guys have texted me, yeah, that's if you have, and you have not gotten a reply from me, it's because I have no phone once again. I did order a replacement, and unfortunately I don't have my phone on me to show you what it's doing, but you know, but I don't know what happened to it. I just got done loading up the cabinet. Apparently somebody didn't like my video yesterday because they unsubscribed. Go figure. But yeah, you know, when I was moving out the cabinet, I had the phone in my back pocket, as I always do all the time, and thought it went off, reached into my back pocket, turned it on, and the screen went white, pure white, and very faintly in the background you can see the screen, and then it looked like it had cracks, but the screen wasn't cracked. And I don't know how it did that, because I had the phone working just before that. So, but I'm here today to do a little bit of these wires, because I need to get all these wires off of here. I got to move these seats over to there so I can be able to wheel the cabinet here. So I got like 3-4 days to do that. So I am just coming up here just to clean up a little bit, you know, get some more of this wire ready, because a cabinet is actually going to, you know, hold my wire stripper, which, as you can see, I have a lot of wire, which when I get it mounted and everything ready, I will be, you know, doing a video on that. I know, I'm being pulled different directions, and the last 2 days it has been very hot here, except yesterday it did rain for like 5 minutes and then it stopped. Yeah. And last night I watched a video from E-Waste Ben, and one of his, it was his video, the longest marathon scrapping video ever on YouTube, and the thing was like 4 hours long. And I was sitting there watching it, and it got to a point where he was telling me that it was 30 degrees Celsius, which is like 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Shit, that's nothing. It was 110 here yesterday, and it was probably either the same today or a little bit hotter. Try working in it every day. then you have something to complain about. But I guess Australians are not used to that kind of weather. I figured, it would be a lot hotter down there because it's closer to the equator. So I figured that it would be in the hundreds all the time there. But, well, I guess where he's at, it's not. And for it to be in the hundreds, it's unusual. So, I don't know. But yeah, I scrap in 100 degree and plus every day. So, welcome to my world. And he even admitted that he has to go in and I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. Managers are coming. Okay, I'll turn that down before I get a strike. It's 7:53. I gotta go pick up my niece. I don't like having the property managers on tape or in the vicinity of me taping. So that's why I had to turn off the camera. But yeah, they're loading stuff up right now as we speak onto their truck. And but I needed to come and get the measurements of that. They always comment on my storage unit when they come by. No, keep paying on that. I don't want to clean that out. No, not going to happen. That's the very first bill that I pay. But I wanted to come and finish that. I got some of the stuff that I was gonna do done. Oh, pausing it. Don't want you guys seeing my code, but yeah. But I am gonna go pick up my niece. I gotta find some bolts for the wheels. Oh, since I'm out of there, I can smoke a cigarette. Smoking is bad for your health, blah, 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 blah. And well, trust me, cigarettes calm me down from being aggravated, and I'll go this way. But I'm here to pick up my niece from work. So I'm gonna find a nice spot right over here and wait like a good little boy. But yeah, so but yeah, I wanted to get the measurement and I wanted to start cutting up some of that wire. I put some of the wire in the back seat so I can do that while I'm at home. Just a small amount, not too much. I need to find some trash bins. Some roll away trash bins like what Do You Waste Ben has. you know, and put all my stuff in those. You know, it would make it a lot simpler instead of just having everything scattered all around. But it is what it is. I'll get there. Maybe I'll call up the dump and see if they have any bins that they're not using or they're gonna throw away. You know, some old ones. I don't know. Maybe they'll give me some. Maybe they won't. Probably not. I don't know. I don't like this trash company up here. They don't do a lot of things that the old people did. You know. So, now see, that's what I need for the back of my truck. A flatbed. Yep. Sooner or later, I will have a flatbed. Sooner or later. But I ain't gonna have no god-awful toolboxes on it. I have a flatbed with a dump on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. You know. But yeah, but like I said, anybody who's trying to get a hold of me through text, I am sorry I have not responded, but I don't have a phone right now. But I will shortly. So I'll let you guys go. So as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. Later, Gators.